Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to go over several big news in Polkadot. And obviously the biggest one would be today from Web3 Foundation. They make announcement about the Polkadot's native token DOT has morphed and is not a security now, it is a software. And so in this article, they talk about the history, like how they work with SEC and then like the road of Web 3.0, Dr. Gavin Wood, how they start from the beginning from Web 2 experience to Web 3, and the important part would be today they finally make the announcement. Of course, I haven't seen the confirmation from SEC yet, but most likely once they announce that, it just means they already get some approval or something with the SEC. So finally, they said like nothing this statement intended to be or offer or sell any digital asset or security. Okay, so finally they said that the SEC, like they announced the DOT has morphed, and it's not the security, it's merely software now. So I guess that's a good news for Polkadot, because the SEC, the regulation is always an issue for all of those tokens, and I'm glad to hear that the Polkadot now they have agreement with SEC, and so this is the biggest one. Obviously, I think all of you should know that. Now let's talk about some less important, but it's still important in $Sama. So okay, so the first one is NitinTree. They have a new inflation model. I think for the NitinTree holder, you probably need to check this one. And this motion has been passed already. And the new inflation model overall is a 1.5% annual inflation in the first 6 months, and then 2.5% after 6 months. And in addition to that, they're going to burn 4.5 million NIT from the ecosystem wallet. And so I think it's a good one for the NIT holder, and that's why almost everyone agree and they vote yes. And they have some more details about those tokens, how they calculate that, and the release schedule, everything, and the inflation rate. And so they will use this inflation for the connector staking, and they right now also open the application for the connectors. And so they will use that to reward those connectors. And those are all the detail of the connectors, the staking, and the rewards they are going to have. And so I would highly recommend you should check that. Next one is from Centrifuge, the parachain for the real-world assets. And so they have a summary, and basically the ecosystem, they have some big news. I think the biggest one is this one, like the Block Tower. They have like a 150 million venture fund, and Centrifuge, they also secured a 3 million token sale and partnership. That's huge under this bear market, and I think that will also help the Centrifuge to better build like more pool and also better build the protocol. So they have a good summary about the opportunities of RWA, the real world assets, and also like the key role in shaping the future of DeFi and traditional finance. And the community, they also have some like block works, they have the talk and also the governance with POP, the poor onboarding proposal process, and they will probably have a new version of that POP very soon, and there are some other ongoing referenda and proposals. So if you get time, I would recommend you to check them. And so the real world assets is really a big opportunity, and how to use like those like decentralized the Web3 and help with that RWA. It's a big problem to solve, and Paranet Finance, they recently also participate with that. They have the Citus Finance, and which will bring the real world assets as well. And this one they just announced and just start. So this Citus Finance also just kind of new, but looks like they do have a lot of stuff going on, and then they have the article. I would recommend everyone should check that as well. On the Needham tree, they also have the bi-direction bridge NIV, and you can use the Visit app, and you can transfer your need from Ethereum to the Needham tree parachain, or from Needham tree parachain to Ethereum. And so this one is Knife, and Fana World, their NFT right now, they sell about 10% of all like those prime edition, but you know what, like they do have some issue, because each one is right now you can only meet one NFT, and also a lot of times like it's difficult to meet, because maybe too many people visit, and I have to refresh multiple times, and also like the collaboration with Needham tree. I think the Needham tree's product also crash occasionally. I think some people, they report that they cannot use that and link onto their like Twitter or those kind of things. But don't worry, you still have a lot of time, and we will see like if those cannot be minted, then it will be burnt. So that's the thing for the Fana World. ASTAR, they have a big updates like from the wallet. They have the public testing with sub wallet, and they also have the AMA with MEXC, and with the Candy Go NFT. So this is huge, this Candy Go NFT. I hope some of you get a whitelisted. I personally still didn't get the whitelist. They have all kinds of games. It's just like yeah, I'm not lucky and difficult. And they also have some UI UX renewal, and the internet will have a Twitter space with ASTAR very soon. So those are the one like you can have a look if you're interested. It's going to be tomorrow, so very soon. And they also updated their website. I don't know whether you noticed that, but the DEFI staking, they do have a new and looks wonderful website and better organized. You can see your staking, and you can claim that. Like for example, I forgot to claim actually. Like you can actually claim each of them. So you know, like I think I can only claim like 50 each era, and I have to claim multiple times probably. And if you haven't done that yet, you should do that as well, like to claim, and then you will get more ASTAR, and it will automatically stake in the pool. And then now the pool, they reorganize that, so they will have the DeFi, NFT, and the community, all kinds of pools, and then like you can check those, and the UI is much better than before. So I feel this is really nice, and you can see that like I still need to claim multiple times. I will not demo now, but I will do it later on. So those are all the different depths, and then you can see the TVL and also the APY and the total apps. And the depth staking is available on EVM as well, so you can check this. Their new Algorand liquid staking. You can connect and then do the staking there. And you can check the ASTAR you stake right now, and you can add or unbound. Unbound will take some time, but you can add more to the ASTAR. I already support different apps, and I probably should support more, but I'm out of ASTAR token now. Alright, so that's ASTAR, and finally just a quick update, like the first .summon and share NFT will be ended this Sunday, and if you want to get some free NFT, just go to this channel and type trick or treat, and then you will get some points. I mean, right now everyone just get a mushroom. I didn't see a candy yet, but hopefully someone will get a candy, and that will be 100 points. And I will give out the NFT from the community artist, and also my AI generated NFT, and you can choose whatever NFT you want to generate, so that's a benefit as well. Alright, and so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.